Hello, Suos. Suos
Hi.
from England, and Suos get money from trading. Yeah, how much experience do you have in trading when you start?
So I think I started trading in 2021. Um, yeah, I was a little bit late to trading. I think most people found out in 2020
During the COVID time.
during COVID.
Yeah.
I missed the COVID hype,
Yeah.
and I started in 2021.
But it's better to start late, which,
never.
which never
Yeah.
start. Yeah. Do you prefer crypto, forex, or stock markets?
I started with stock market, and then I changed over to Forex maybe 2 years ago.
Yeah, why you change? It's because more predictable markets, more volume, or more.
Exactly, and there just wasn't enough volatility for me in the stock market, so I moved over to Forex, and there was more consistency, and you could learn an instrument and learn how it moves, and it was just more comfortable for me.
Yeah, but what do you prefer? You prefer like scalping, swing trading, scalping.
Scalping.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You're not swing queen.
No, I'm not a swing queen. I started off on the 5 minute, and then I went down to the 3 minute, and now I'm on the 2 minute.
Oh.
So yeah, I like to scalp.
How much time you spend every day for your trading job?
I think my attention span will allow me to trade for maybe 2.5 hours, maybe 3 if I have a break in the middle.
Yeah, okay. But why you choose to be a trader 4 years ago in 2021?
Well,
What benefits does this job give for you?
it's funny because I was a mortgage advisor, so I've always been in the financial industry, and I was doing a mortgage application for a man who had some Tesla shares, and he basically he was leveraging his mortgage against the shares, and he predicted that his shares would be worth like 5 times more in maybe 20 years. And it interested me, it intrigued me, and this was the first little piece of information that I heard about how stocks work and how quickly they can multiply. So, where was I going? What was the question, sorry?
Yeah, but what is the biggest benefit? Why you change your main job and why you go to the trading?
Yeah.
What is it's just a passion, or how you will see your future
I see.
career in trading after maybe 3 years?
Okay, yeah.
It will be only one job, or it's kind of hobby for you?
Well, I saw the potential, and then the more I learned about it, the more I enjoyed it. So
Yeah.
I could see myself doing trading for the rest of my life. But I would like to maybe move up to higher time frames, so it's
More
less
like
time consuming. Yeah.
like trader investor, like in the middle. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, it's good options. Yeah, but are you I think you prefer freedom. Right now we stay in Vietnam, and you have opportunity to travel in Vietnam because you get some money
Yes.
from trading. Yeah,
Yes.
it's good. How you handle with FOMO? Do you have some situation when you get some big FOMO?
Oh, right, yeah, FOMO. Thankfully, FOMO hasn't been such an issue for me. It was more the opposite. I was very hesitant to enter the markets. I was more like a little bit worried and concerned that my analysis was wrong or that I've missed something. So I had to overcome the fear of pulling the trigger, actually. I wasn't trigger happy. Like, I would often miss setups, and that's something that I've had to work on over the years.
Yeah, but are you mostly use technical analysis,
Yes.
not fundamental analysis? Yeah.
Yes, technical analysis.
Yeah, it's kind of zone of resistance, kind of like
Yes,
this.
support and resistance. I use trend lines as well,
Yeah.
and several things. I use one indicator, which is the moving average.
Yeah.
Well, the EMA, 13 EMA. Yeah, and technical analysis.
Can you, I don't know, recommend your favorite book in trading?
Book. Do you know what's interesting? I skipped all the books. I just thought it was overkill.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that's going to be true for everyone, but for me, I just felt like it was so unnecessary. I did all my research online, and I may have read a few guides, but I think the most valuable growth is on the charts.
But have you ever have some teacher or you educate yourself?
Well, I can't say that I educated myself. I kind of had a mentor, but it wasn't like a paid mentorship. It was just someone that I was fond of on YouTube that I understood, and he was very transparent about his strategy, and I understood it, and he uploads regularly, and I still watch them now. So,
Yeah, you continue to watch this
yeah,
channel.
I continue to watch it.
Okay, maybe we send a link below
Yeah,
this video.
absolutely.
Yeah. So, can you give some advice for people who thinking about start trading career? Maybe they think it's so complicated, maybe they thinking it's not for all people. What do you think about this? Trading for all, or you have to get some special skills to be a trader? Or maybe you can give some advice for rookie people, for new people, for beginners?
Yeah, that's a good question. Is trading for everyone? Probably in the long term, no, but I think everyone should try it and see if it is for them, because it's an amazing opportunity. It sounds cliche, but you do learn about yourself, and it's a conscious growth that happens.
Yeah.
You have to decide to change something. I see a lot of traders like get into the habit of just doing the same thing and it's not working. Just make little tweaks. And my advice for beginner traders, maybe, don't think of it as a way to make money. Just think of it as a skill that you're learning.
How to be a more consistent trader, yeah?
Yeah. When you're on the charts, don't think about the money. In fact, I don't have, some people have the money, and they can see how much money with, you know, each movement of the candlestick. I don't have that. I just look at the analysis. I don't even see the pips, to be honest, because it's purely technical analysis. I know where I'm going to close, and I know where my stop loss is going to be. So I'd say remove the attachment to money, and then you'll be able to think objectively.
Yeah, thank you, Suos. But do you agree that the most important skills is discipline in trading? What's your opinion?
Yes, discipline is very important, but I think there's something after that as well,
Yeah.
which I think it just comes with experience and discipline. So yes, you might have the discipline, but also I think there's a little bit of discrepancy
Yeah.
and deeper understanding when you look at the charts.
It's
So,
kind of tuition or feelings or no?
not so much, but it's like something might look good, and let's say it might be not an A plus setup, but maybe a B plus, and it's understanding and having experience. Have you seen this before?
Yeah.
How does this currency pair move? Actually, maybe this is not. Yeah, so kind of discipline. I don't know if I've explained that very well, but also having experience of the markets.
Yeah. We have a rule, you have to spend more than 10,000 hours, and after you will be professional. I think in
Right.
trading it works the same. After you spend more than 10,000 hours watching charts every day, you become a professional.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you for your time. Thank you
problem.
for answer. I hope it will be helpful for
Thank
a lot
you.
of people. Yeah.
I hope so.
And we will go to enjoy our life because if you are a trader, you have an opportunity not only get a lot of money, but also you have a get opportunity to spend this money, because trading it's more about balance between money and freedom. And I think it's the most valuable things when you are investor or trader. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.